Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharma Learning with Sandeep. In this video, we will discuss about blender and blending process. The content of video are uses of blender, principle of mixing, different parts of blender, different shapes of blender, capacity of blender and operation of blender. We will discuss one by one. First, uses of blender. Blender is used for mixing of powder at dry mixing, mixing of granules and lubrication of granules. These are uses of blender. Now, principle of mixing. The principle of mixing by blender are shearing and tumbling. Now, parts of blender. There are different parts of blender. Blender body, inlet, outlet butterfly valve, control panel. Here is a blender body. It is made by SS316L material, non-corrosive and non-reactive. Then inlet. Here is a inlet at the top of blender through which material or granules are loaded into the blender body. Then outlet butterfly valve. At the bottom, here is a outlet butterfly valve through which the material are unloaded from the blender body. Then control panel. Here is a control panel and uh, on off button, RPM setting and timing setting are done through control panel. The blender body revolve by motor and here is a safety grill and support system are available for a blender body. Now there are different shapes of blender having same principle and same mechanism, only shapes are different. First, double cone blender having two cone at opposite direction. At one side material are loaded and other side material are unloaded. Then drum blender having a simple drum like structure and whole assembly are rotated by the motor. Then conta blender having a conta bean body. Then V-shape blender having V-shaped blender body. Then octagonal blender having eight side blender body. That is about different blender shape. Then capacity of blender. The capacity of blender measured in a liter, not in a kg. Blender available in capacity from 5 liter to 1000 liter and more. For small scale batches in R&D level, 5 liter blender are used, and for commercial batches 1000 liter or more capacity of blender are used. The operating capacity of blender is up to 70%. That means up to 70% material or granules can be filled in a blender body, and 25 to 30% shall be vacant for proper mixing of material. Now operation of blender. Before starting the process, here is a line clearance of area and equipment are mandatory. It is checked by production and APK personnel. After certifying line clearance, the next process started. Then material verification, in that product name, batch number and quantity of material to be mixed are verified. Then loading of material into the blender. The loading of material can be done by manually or by powder transfer system. Then mixing of material at standard speed and standard RPM as mentioned in BMR. Then last is a unloading of mixed material from a blender. That is about operation of blender. Now in a video, here is a loading of material through inlet. Then motor rotate to blender body and mixing uh, takes place by sharing and tumbling principle. Then after mixing, unloading of granules or powder through outlet. That is about operation of blender. Thank you for watching.